Right, it is the next morning. Trying to make one of these coffees, but I hate this fake little milk things that they give you. I'm gonna have to go and find a real coffee somewhere. Visor's all clean, and yeah, sun's only just starting to come up. Bikes are still here, so that's good. Security is tight. Good morning.
You excited?
I'm excited.
I'm excited.
You excited, Britt?
I'm very excited. Yes.
Loading up the bags. Good morning.
Good morning. How is everybody?
Yeah, good.
Your sleep tight?
All right. Let's go and find some real coffee and some breakfast. Pick one of the many places, many options. Oh, what a beautiful road to ride on a morning like this. That is awesome.
And I reckon sometimes
Real coffee.
you put 2 helmets in this rotation.
Yeah.
Rotation.
It's too pretty to eat. That's actually French toast.
Ooh.
Enjoy. But man, that is a cool looking breakfast.
I can smell you.
Look at this beautiful weather. We are down at Mission Bay. Spectacular day for Auckland.
Yeah, and then hopefully when we're dead.
I'm just hiding away. Like, nah, not having a bar of it.
Come on, Gina. Always hiding from my camera. Gina knows how Princess Diana felt.
Oh, God.
Good. Good. Back again, Shawnee.
Oh yes.
Fine looking people.
Is he filming?
He's always filming.
He's always filming.
Just assume that the camera's always on, Gina.
Just to see my fingers. Leon's here.
Well, I do. I do.
Oh, the
They literally fill in like every little shot.
Hey, Brett, give us a wave. Hey.
It's not okay to be okay when you could be amazing. I got the day to day to day, gotta make it worth the wait. 'Cause I'm kinda delicious and
Oh yeah, that looks cool. It suits you, Jenna. It suits you. New color scheme for the Vulcan again.
I'll tell you what, if I win, I'm probably going to get one of these. If I win the
Excellent.
20,000 bike. I just think that they look cool, the styling.
They are cool.
But I'd be torn between like this one or like the one with the higher guard on it. Like,
Yeah,
I kind of
yeah.
think that looks a little bit better.
Oh well, that's a good problem to have.
Support for community like yourself, so really good to see so many people here. I believe well over 400 people have registered for the ride. That's absolutely amazing, and all your registration fees come directly to us. There's no intermediaries, money comes directly to helicopter, so you're really doing something for us.
Got to gift the tyres to his son, so very cool. And Stephen.
Merry Christmas.
Ticket number 44, Chris Wilkins.
Whoa.
Wilkins.
Thank you guys, really appreciate everyone. As I said, without you guys we couldn't do this, so thank you again. Another good one, guys. Another good one. And Stephen won. Well, Sean won, but Stephen won.
Yeah, he won it.
Oh, just a quick shout out to Max. Came up to me a moment ago to let me know that he watches the channel. Thank you, Max. I appreciate you, man. Should have got some video with you, but I thought let's give you a quick shout out. Thank you.